Good morning. Uh, Today I am going to give you a very best judgment which may help you if your client is having grievances about the final report, leaving certain area of investigation, deliberately filing a charge sheet, facilitating the accused to get an acquittal, giving room for them, and leaving some important accused despite your statements. Then this judgment would help you if you go through the entirety of judgment and also the ratio settled by the division bench Deepak Mishra and Amitya Roy. AR 2017 Supreme Court 774 Amrita Bai Sambhubai Patel versus Suman Bai Kanti Bai Patel versus. This is case they say 173.8 further investigation at post cognizance stage cannot be ordered by magistrate. Then they say 173.8 156 class 3 202 further investigation cannot be directed by magistrate under section 156 class 3. Direction for investigation by magistrate under section 202 though is post cognizance stage, it is nature of inquiry and not of further investigation. Therefore, on one hand, they say the magistrate have got no right to issue direction for investigation post cognizance stage. But later they said that could be under section 202 in the nature of inquiry. That's what they say. Then this judgment deeply discuss about they have discussed about multi number of Supreme Court judgment wherein this area was discussed. In Ramlal Narang versus State Delhi administration case, they say 173 CRP in particular further investigation of police after it had submitted charge sheet in a case. The exposition by this court in Ramlal Narang case that neither section 173 nor 190 Code of Criminal Procedure did suggest exhaustion of the power of the police to further investigation even after magistrate had taken cognizance. So that is another several cases were discussed. Then they have discussed about 173 final report. Then they say the magistrate would not be entitled in law and order to any investigation under section 156 and further though in cases not falling within the provision 202 he could order such investigation by the police. The same would be in the nature of inquiry only as contemplated under section 202. That ratio would help us. So final ratio is important. The unamended and the amended subsection 8 of section 173 of code, if read in juxtaposition, would overwhelmingly attest that by a letter the investigating agency or officer alone has been authorized to conduct further investigation without limiting the stage of proceedings relating thereto. This power investigating agency officer is thus legislatively intended to be available at any stage of the proceeding. The recommendation of the Law Commission manifesting heralded the amendment significantly had limited its proposal to the empowered investigation agency alone. In contradistinction, section 156, 190, 200, 202, 204 clearly outline the power of the magistrate and the courses open for him to chart out in the matter of directing investigation, taking cognizance, framing of charge, though the magistrate has the power to direct investigation section 156 class 3 at the pre-cognizance stage, even after charge sheet or a closer report is submitted. Once cognizance is taken and the accused person appears pursuant thereto, he would be bereft of any competence to direct further investigation, either suo motu or acting upon the request or prayer of the complainant informant. The direction by investigation of the magistrate under 202 while dealing with the complaint. He say, though it is at post cognoscere, it is in the nature of inquiry to derive satisfaction as to whether proceedings initiated ought to be furthered or not. Such a direction for investigation is not in the nature of further investigation as contemplated under section 173(8) of this year. So this ratio is most important. Then they say the impugned decision as nulling the direction of the land magistrate for further investigation is unexceptional and does not merit interference. Therefore, they say the magistrate is entitled to order for further investigation as a part of inquiry. This is most important. Then yet another judgment. Everybody wants to know. This is most important. The other day one junior wanted that. That time I could remember, but I could not look at the judgment. Wherein they say 125 CRPC. Maintenance to wife. Reduction of merely because wife is capable of earning, not sufficient reason to reduce maintenance granted to her by family court. AR 2017, Supreme Court 1174, Shaileja and another Kobanna. In this case, they say even though the wife is capable of earning, still on that reason maintenance should not be reduced. So this judgment also you should take down, keep it on file. Best wishes. I think you understand the case of earlier I discussed about further investigation. So you have to file an application under section 202 also. Best wishes.